Where's this money gone, Luke?
To the third party.
Now, you didn't go to Amsterdam, did you?
Yes.
Don't be so silly. How could you have gone? Who paid for it, Emily?
I took more money out of my granddad's my granddad's inheritance money and used that.
As I understand it, you came to a sort of agreement with Luke, didn't you? About how he was going to pay this money back, am I right?
He gave me £100 and we agreed that he'd pay me another £300 at the end of the month.
Until the whole thing had been paid off?
Yeah, and we basically agreed that he would set up a direct debit and would pay me £400 every month.
Remember that?
Yeah.
Has your relationship irrevocably broken down?
Yes.
People come into my court, they try it on, they don't get away with it. Don't do that again, because another judge, a less kind one, may just decide to send you to prison. Do you understand?
Yes.
Emily, Luke. Emily, you entered into a relationship with Luke, and what I'm absolutely clear about is that the two of you loved each other very deeply, it seems. Over a period of time, Emily, you lent Luke a good deal of money, in total £2,280, money that you could ill afford. And you did so in circumstances where at the end of your relationship you came to an agreement that he would pay that money back. In the course of this case, as a result of my questioning of Luke, three things have become clear to me. Number one, he had no intention of paying you that money back.
I know. Sorry.
Number two, he never could. And number three, he is a liar and a fantasist. Love blinds us sometimes, and this is an exact example of that situation. You came to an agreement for him to pay you the money back, but that was in circumstances where the two of you were in an ongoing relationship. I'm perfectly satisfied that that relationship has broken down. Therefore, I'm perfectly satisfied you had an agreement and he's broken that agreement. So to that extent, you're entitled to all of your money back, which is £2,280. And this court awards you £2,280.
Thank you.
Luke, that wasn't just stupid what you did. It wasn't even a little bit stupid. It was extremely stupid. You thought you could lie to Judge Rinder and get away with it. Wrong. Robbery.
Emily's case was successful, and she was awarded the full amount of her claim. Let's find out how both parties felt after the ruling.
I do think justice has been done today because I've got my money back.
I shouldn't have lied. I shouldn't have borrowed the money in the first place. I didn't want no responsibility to borrow the money. No, I'm sorry. I couldn't apologise anymore.
He just generally makes me feel sick. If I'm being totally honest with you.
I think she could have been the one, and I'm disappointed the way it's turned out, but it's my own doing.
I do feel used and conned, but I'm happy that it's all resolved.
The way it's turned out, it does look like I'm a con man, it does look like I'm a liar. But the reason I lied is because I didn't want to carry on this scenario of me borrowing money for this third party, and I just didn't want to admit that.
I will definitely be more careful in the future, and I won't ever give anyone money again.
There's nothing more I'd love to than try and repair this relationship, but I just know she won't.
For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.